wearing the same shirt?
I don't know. It was an accident. Because we're so cute.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Amanda. And we're Mike Handa.
And today we are unboxing and reviewing a boat cover by RVMasking. So let's get into it. See what we got. They sent us this boat cover to review and unbox, so just to let everybody know that. It's the boat cover, straps, paperwork, user manual, warranty card, and I think these are the outboard motor covers.
Oh my goodness.
It comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 straps. And this is for a 25, 26 foot center console boat. Mine is a 25.5 Pursuit. Okay, let's see.
Is that for the console?
No, this is for the boat motor, the outboard motor. It's vacuum sealed, so that's nice.
It's a nice heavy duty fabric. Do we know what kind of fabric this is? It's nice and thick.
Let's see.
But this has, like, this is a really nice thick material. It has like a, almost like a waterproof coating on the inside.
It is 100% waterproof.
100% waterproof.
And it's 1200D.
What's, oh, that's the fabric?
That thickness, yeah.
Oh, 1200D is the thickness. And it's got these attachments for the straps to get connected to. And you can see on the underside, actually, they have enforced it here onto the fabric.
Has a knife identification for the front. That's good.
Oh, that's nice. And then it has this cut out for the engines back here, or what is this?
No, it's got an elastic cord all the way around it.
Elastic cord all the way around?
See if it has vents. Okay, here's the vents.
Has a couple vents for some airflow.
Yeah, it's just got some couple of holes in there.
Okay.
As you can see, they have the straps going all the way across the top of the cover stitched in, so that might be a little bit more durable over the years. It seems like a good thickness. See how good these straps are. Pretty normal straps. Buckles seem to stay in place, so that's good. Let's see if that one is a fluke or not. That one was pretty good too.
On the adjustable.
So that's the straps. So on the straps again, the buckles don't come out, as it seems like, and I think you have 20, 10 on each side or whatever, and instead of going all the way under the boat or the trailer, what they do is they just buckle onto each other around each point on the trailer, which is better in my opinion, instead of going all underneath the whole trailer, because that's kind of a pain. But they seem to be, I can't pull it apart, so that's good. And this is the engine cover that they gave us. It covers the whole engine pretty much. It's not going to be exact fit or whatever because it's universal, but it's got a drawstring. Alright, it's not the best, but it works. Seems like it's made out of the same material as the boat cover, waterproof.
Alright, yeah, so since this is all we can do with this boat cover, we'll still put a link in the description for this particular one that we have. I know we saw online that you can get it in other colors too. This looks like the gray color, right?
Yeah, and they had, I believe, like black and blue.
Yeah, like a black and like a royal blue kind of color that you could get also. Right? Mm-hmm. So we'll link those below, and that way you can check this one out. But it seems like really nice material. The stitching seems like it's gonna hold up really well, and the way that the straps are sewn in and everything. So it seems very durable, but too bad we can't try it out. Hopefully we'll try out the right one.
Yeah.
But, all right, well that's it for today. Thanks.
All right, see you.
Bye.